The Dreamboat Trifecta. It's gorgeous. 500 horsepower each. 73126. The Honda Jetsis have first time being used after 6 years of parking. Let's hopefully they work. Did you check out that boat, Chris? 500 horsepower each.
This thing? Is this important?
Yeah. You gotta stick it in there and then stick one in your wrist.
Stick what in where?
That side in your wrist. But take this off first. Let go, Mom.
Let go, Mom.
Okay.
Let go, lady.
Open it.
Pontoon boat with 1,000 horsepower.
Do I keep it in the drawer?
Isn't that the coolest boat ever? Wow. Pontoon. Look at the music. Horizontal, horizontal, open. Vertical, close.
Mommy, water.
Wow, look at that boat. I can't keep my eyes off it. Okay, this goes in. Sit down, Jennifer. Remember when you get there, you can reverse.
What's reverse?
This, pull this, lift this up, reverse. And then when you get there, shut it off before you get in there.
Okay, can I press start?
Yep. And you're ready to go.
How do I go? Do I push this button?
Press the.
Let it go?
Yeah, go. Don't go too fast. Mom doesn't like it. Say bye, Annika. Jennifer, hold your hat. Hold your hat. It's gonna fly. Hold your hat. All right, time to leave Don Pedro. Annika's going way too fast for the 5 zone. And she's finished day number 5, the boating license. It's time to head home.